So today we are going to be unboxing a power bank, and so this is the power bank that I have today. With this I have a wire, as this is a magnetic charging wire. So let's start. So first I will be opening the power bank box. So just need to be a little bit careful with the wire and everything. So as you all can see, so with the power bank I did get this DC 5 volts to 12 volt converter for free. So let's keep that aside for now. So when I remove the rubber band and everything, so you can see we have the power bank. So for now I'll be keeping this aside, so it's easy. So on the box here they have given the brand name, 10,000 milliamp hours, 2 amperes, 2 amperes. There are 3 input ports, output ports. So you have the additional information. You have a micro input of 5 volts, type C 5 volts, and output also 5 volts. So that's all for the power bank. As you all can see, I have the power bank here. So let's cut open the box and see what we have. So it's so good. The packing quality is good, as you all can see. So I have the power bank like that. There's nothing else inside the box. So yeah, power bank. So first you get a micro USB cable that's included, you all can see. So after that, the power bank itself is there. It's really heavy, so that's a good sign. So you all can see it's written capacity 10,000 milliamp hours. Model is A323. You have all those details. You have a charger indication here with 4 dots. So for the cable, I got a micro USB all-in-one cable. So this is what we have. So this is the magnetic cable. That's a good thing. So before going inside the box, let's see. You have micro, type C and lightning written. After that you have the branding. This cable supports fast charging. So that's all. So if we get into the box, let's see. So we have the cable and the things. We have the 3 magnetic bits. So let's take the cable out first. So this is the cable. It's a normal good looking cable. Here I have the thing, and this is the magnetic hold, I think. Yeah. Let's try to take the magnetic bits. Okay, so this is the micro USB bit. Okay, now that's a good suction. Here you can see it's really good. Now I'll take this out. Let's keep that, and let's see the other one. So this is the USB type C bit. So yeah, it's good. Well, let's keep that also aside for now. So let's see. Yeah, this is the lightning bit. It's really strong. Now I'll take this out. Let's put them in the tray. They came in. Now let's see. Let's use the Type-C bit and let's try to charge the power bank. So yeah. So I can keep the bit like that. That's good. Let's keep the power bank here. So this is a nice feature in the wire. When you turn it on, there's a blue ring light for you to know the wire is on. Let's see. It's really good, very responsive. You can see I have the power bank charging now. You can see the blue light is really. So yeah, if you pull the wire, the connection goes. Good, not bad. It's very good, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope to see you in a new one.